Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a fast forward effect in CapCut for free. I will not only show you how to create the effect with a green screen clip, but also how you can make your very own custom look with the video effects included in CapCut. Let's get started. In the first method I'm going to show you, we use a free green screen clip that you can download directly from YouTube. Simply copy the link of the video clip and download it. If you don't know how to download YouTube videos, there are many tools out there. I use a free software that you can find on GitHub. Let me know if you want to know more about this tool. Maybe I'll make another video explaining everything you need to know. In CapCut, import the film material to which you want to apply a fast forward effect. Add the video clip to the timeline. Preview of the video clip. In the clip, a woman is drinking coffee and talking to her boyfriend. At least that's what I assume. Okay, now let's apply the fast forward video effect. To do this, add the green screen clip that you downloaded a minute ago. Position the green screen clip on the timeline above the clip to which you want to apply the fast forward effect. Select the clip, then click on the chroma key checkbox on the cutout tab, and then on the color file selection button. Now select a green area and play with the settings. Move the slider for the strength to the right and adjust the shadow until you achieve the right result. Cut the green screen clip and use the part you like most. Okay, the preview looks okayish. You can make a little more effort than me to achieve better results. To improve the effect, play the video below faster. Change the speed under video. I'll set it twice as fast. Split the overlaid video clip and remove the right-hand part that you do not need. Preview again. To improve even more, you could add an in and out effect to your video clip. Play around with the effects until you're happy. I'll leave that up to you. Now I'll show you another method to create a fast forward video effect. To do this, you must download a suitable icon. I prefer to use only symbols which do not require any attribution to stay out of trouble. Insert the video clip into the timeline and then add the symbols. Change the size of the fast forward icons to adapt them to your film footage. Okay, you got it. I think we should focus on a single icon. After adding the overlay icon, add a glitch video effect to the clip. Make sure to apply the effect to the video clip only to avoid any distortion of the overlay icon. Change the effect duration if you want. Split the clip and add another glitch effect. This is another way to add a quick video effect. Of course, you can add more than one glitch effect at a time. It's up to you. Yeah, so that's basically it. This is how to create a fast forward video effect in CapCut. Hope you had fun watching. Make sure to check out my other videos.